you now turn it on. Okay. Great. Impressive. All right, so
hi guys, you're welcome to the Nerd Lab. So today I'm going to test the configuration that we just built into a ready-made frame. So the inverter stopped working and I decided to build a circuit into it, which I'm going to provide the diagram at the end of the video. So without wasting time, you guys follow me. So the original configuration of the inverter is basically 800 watts, which is not enough to drive many power tools. But during the configuration we decided to make an upgrade, which is the result why we were able to increase the power a little bit so we can go above 800 watts and probably above 1000 watts. And as a result, you can see it drives all the forms of power tools we're using, all these furniture tools, and they work very perfectly.
We only have
okay, the 6 is even the maximum.
yeah.
All right, I think what's left is now the professional. So I think you're not meant to be a carpenter.
No.
Yeah, this can actually drill. Before we do that, we're going to put the right bit so we can. Let's go for final and probably the. Okay, hold on. Okay, be careful. Look at that. We don't want to cause the blade. These things are very dangerous. So this can cut the wood. Alright, so finally let's test the sound system and play
You're a darling and dying, please charge me.
music. Okay. There we go. Plug it up there. Okay. Can turn it on. It's not properly connected yet. Okay. These other terminals. Turn it on. Alright.
Bluetooth mode paired.
What do we have to play? Alright. We can actually test other things like changing the mode from Bluetooth to FM. There. Yep.
Turn them up.
lójú ọ̀nà ọlọ́wọ́n ọba tí wọ́n kú lórí ìsìláàmù tí wọ́n kú lórí dáadáa tí wọ́n kú lórí jihadi tí wọ́n kú lórí pàǹsọ ẹbí pọ̀ tí wọ́n kú lórí pé à ń tún ọmọlàkejì ṣe à ń tún ìlú ṣe à ń tún ẹbí ṣe amúnilé amúmọ́ra amú àlejò amúmọ́ra àwọn tí wọ́n wá lùsẹ̀mí wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n fira wọn lẹ̀ fún gbogbo tọ́lọ́wọ́n ọba àlekè ọlá ọlọ́run ní bí wọ́n bá wá kú ní àpapọ̀dà ẹ má sì máa rò kókó ni wọ́n
volume
bali
button
àhàyà ohun
here.
àlàyé ni wọ́n o ìdàrọ́
Press
bí
it
èmi ó sàkó
now.
òun
The next,
ọlọ́run àlàyé ni wọ́n
the
àwọn
next.
bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n sì máa jẹ wọ́n máa mú.
That increases. Actually, a single press will change the channel. Pressing it down will increase the volume. And that's the maximum volume. That's another
lórí
channel.
àsìkí tá a ṣe fún wọn lórí dáadáa tá a ṣe fún wọn lórí pé
The
àwọn
other
náà ṣe
one will
dáadáa
reduce the volume.
ọlọ́run ni wọ́n wà máa dunnú inú wọn
Now,
máa dùn wọ́n máa yọ̀ lórí
the
tá a
last.
ṣe fún wọn nínú ọlá
Yep.
wàìsàbṣirúnà billazina lámúyẹ́lẹ̀
It will
àkóbìhìm
it
min
will reduce the
khalifihim
volume.
wọ́n tún wá máa dunnú wọ́n máa yọ̀ inú wọn
Yes.
máa dùn lórí àwọn tó jẹ́
Deep
pé wọn ò tí ì bá wọn wọn ò tí ì kú tiwọn wọ́n fi í lẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ àgbẹ̀yìn tẹ́yìn sí
So,
ìgbà alábẹ́yìn
that's how it works.
àtàwọn bẹ́ẹ̀ 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 àtàwọn ẹ̀gbẹ́ wọn àtàwọn àbúrò wọn àrò àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ tí wọ́n fi í lẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n rántí àwọn tó ti kú inú àwọn tó wá ti kú.
Alright guys, so
Launching mode.
look at this. We don't even need a NEPA light
To make everything.
to do whatever it is we want to do. So with this, you can run appliances, play music, use it at work, office, wherever you want to run it, and it never disappoints.
This
This is an inverter. This is the inverter. This is the heart of the whole thing. This is what does the job. So it is like the gen. It's like the generator, but instead of using fuel, it uses battery. So this battery is what feeds the inverter, and then the inverter supplies the power to the socket, and that's when we can run everything. Now this battery, when we use it, you know quite alright that it can run down. When it runs down, we're going to need to be able to charge it back. That's where this comes in. So the solar panel is like the charger for the battery. That's why we pass the power here through the controller. So the controller is the intermediary in between the battery and the panel. So what it does is it collects the power from the solar panel and then step it down a little into the voltage that is suitable for the battery, so it can charge it. And furthermore, it does something like controlling the charging process, avoiding overcharging and avoiding deep discharge. So that's the function of the solar panel. So right here we're having the information here. So because of the brightness, we can see everything very clearly, but then we have the information displayed. We have the solar voltage, the battery, and then the output. So basically this is how everything works.